Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and account readiness. Check that your phone supports VoLTE and is running a compatible firmware. This matters because VoLTE is handset dependent. Next, make sure your BSNL SIM is 4G provisioned and KYC complete, since provisioned SIMs can be upgraded remotely. Once done, open Settings, enable mobile data, and set network mode to 4G or LTE. This puts the device on the right radio band, so the carrier can detect and activate VoLTE for your number. You now request activation from BSNL. First, try the prescribed SMS or UST option. Many regions support a short code like ACT Volt. This triggers automated provisioning. If that fails, contact BSNL customer care and request VoLTE activation for your 4G provision number. Provide ICSID, SIM details, and handset model so they can push settings. Once they confirm, reboot your phone and reinsert the SIM so the over-the-air profile and IMS settings apply. These steps finalize the carrier-side enablement process. You finish by verifying VoLTE is active and troubleshooting if needed. Look for the VoLTE icon and place a test call to confirm simultaneous 4G data plus voice and improved clarity. This proves IMS registration worked. If the icon never appears, update carrier settings or the APN and ensure firmware is current. These affect IMS. If problems persist, visit a BSNL center with your handset and SIM for manual provisioning. One key tip: toggle airplane mode after settings changes to force re-registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.